Hi there, my name's Jodie Sterling and I am a member of the Boostly Academy. I first came across Mark Simpson chatting away as he does most weeks in a Clubhouse room with some industry experts. But I really did like what Mark had to say, and that was all #book direct. It was all about getting direct bookings, something that I had no idea how to do. I was an Airbnb host. I'm a super host. I have a successful business in the Cotswolds in the UK, and I'm pretty much fully booked most days of the month. So why would I need to join the Boostly Academy? Well, I was really intrigued about getting direct bookings and learning how to get direct bookings because I was relying on Airbnb. 98% of my business came from Airbnb and the other 2% came from VRBO. So I was pretty much non-existent with direct bookings. I had no idea how to attract the right people. So I attended one of Mark's 5-day free challenges, and I got so much information out of that, learned so much that I thought, right, I'm going to join this Boostly Academy. So I signed up and I've never looked back. And I've started working through the modules, and only in a short period of time, I found myself now being able to do direct marketing to my past guests. I set up email campaigns with MailChimp, and I understand what SEO is and writing blog posts, and a whole series of other key points which are included in the Boostly Academy training. Did you know that this training is accredited as well, which gives me confidence that it is worth doing. And one of the other wonderful things about the Boostly Academy is the community that is involved in this. It is actually invaluable. You know, see, I stuffed it right at the end, didn't I? See, this is take 67 of doing a testimonial. I hate being on video, I really do, but I am so passionate about this Boostly Academy and what it has done for my business and me, my personal growth, and knowing Mark and everybody in the Boostly Academy, that I am going to keep on talking because I'm not going to do a 68th take on this video. All I want to let you know is join the Boostly Academy. It's awesome. You won't look back. If you're on the fence, just dive over it. Pay that money. It's not much. Think of it in room nights. How many room nights you have to fill your accommodation to pay for this, and you'll never look back. So there's my testimonial. It's pretty off the cuff because the 67th time, I can't do it anymore. It's midnight, I've got to go to bed because I've got Christmas trees to decorate tomorrow for my 8 properties. So all the best, join the Boostly Academy. Go Bruce Lee, woohoo!